Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We're going to be diving into the Slay Glam Box for October 2023 in this video. And you guys, I have a really special announcement to make as well. I am so incredibly excited that we're going to definitely jump into the announcement first. I was thinking I might hold out till the end of the video to announce this, but no, I think we're going to do this right here at the beginning. So you guys, I'm so excited to announce that I officially am going to be collabing with Slay Glam and creating my first ever eyeshadow palette. So my palette will drop in the Slay Glam box in January 2024. I'm so excited to announce it. We have been working on this for a couple of months now, so I've known about it. But now, like, I've sent over a bunch of things of what I want and like shade names and colors and everything is coming together and I'm so incredibly excited. So this is my huge announcement, is that I have my first ever eyeshadow palette coming out. You will be able to receive that palette, like I said, in the January 2024 Slay Glam subscription box. It's $24 a month for this subscription, and then you will get that palette inside along with a bunch of other products as well. Now, additionally, I will have some of these palettes available for sale for my subscribers. That way you can purchase it without the subscription box. But I will tell you, I have to package and ship everything out myself. It's not coming from Slay Glam or anything like that. You're gonna get it directly from me. My palette will cost more than the subscription box will. I will tell you that. And because I'm so small and I can't buy thousands of palettes in bulk, they're gonna be a little bit more expensive. So if you're looking for a deal, the best way to get this palette would be to subscribe and purchase this subscription box. But again, if you don't want the box, I will have a few palettes available for sale in January as well. So more information will come up on that when we get there. I don't have all of it figured out yet, but I'm just so excited to announce that I have an eyeshadow palette coming out. So I don't want to reveal too much, but I will tell you guys, there is going to be color in this palette. I mean, it is me after all. So don't expect a neutral palette at all. It is definitely going to be a fun, colorful palette. But I'm also trying to organize it in a way that everyone can get into color. So a lot of times I see comments on my channel that are like, I wish I could do color like you. And I feel like you're gonna be able to with this palette. So I will be giving tutorials. I'm gonna do a whole video showing you guys a bunch of different eye looks that you can do. I've basically worked it out to be a 1, 2, 3 step process that you can have an eyeshadow look with 3 steps. It's just gonna be 1, 2, 3, and you are good to go. So once I have the palette in, I'll make that video. I can show you guys everything. But I definitely think that if you are not into color yet, don't be afraid. I'm gonna walk you through it, and it's 3 steps and you can have these gorgeous colorful looks. Anyone can do it, and that's what my goal was with this palette, is to give you color that anyone can do. So I hope you guys are excited with me. I definitely want to hear your thoughts. Comment down below, let me know. Like, I'm like, yes, I can't believe it's happening. But we're gonna go ahead and dive into our Slay Glam box for October. This is the subscription box that will carry my palette in January. So for October, we have this gorgeous candy corn bag. I love that she switches it up all the time. Now, inside of this subscription box, you are guaranteed an eyeshadow palette every single month, and then you're also going to receive 4 other beauty products inside of this bag as well, all for that $24 price point, and you will receive free shipping. If you guys sign up using my link down below, I do have a small discount code that will save you a little bit of money off of that first order. But additionally, I would recommend you sign up now if you want to be guaranteed one of my palettes. So this palette drops in January, but I would not wait until January to subscribe. So I would make sure you subscribe now or anytime before January. That way you are on the list and you will be able to get the bag in January with my palette in it. I have a hunch it will sell out very quickly, and I would hate to be promising this palette and then everyone run to go get it January 1st and it's already sold out. So if you want to guarantee yourself a spot, just order the subscription. Like I said, it's $24 a month, and you're still going to get a palette and every month leading up to that as well. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't stop talking about this palette, you guys. Like, half of my video right now is just about this palette because I'm so excited. All right, so first item inside of our October box today is a Jello shot. What? This is from Amore Us, and it's a jelly eyeshadow, and it's called a Jello Shot. The shade that we have is Amber Gold. I love that color. I've never heard of this product before, but basically just a jelly eyeshadow, and you'll just put this on like a regular eyeshadow, but the formula is going to be a little bit different. It's not a powder, but this shade is gorgeous. Look at that. It's basically like a cream that you can blend out, but you could also keep this built up and do that really bold color. This is gorgeous for fall. I see why she put this in the October box. Next item that we have in here is a cream puff. What's going on with these names this month? Cream puff blush. And this is also a full-size product. It is a natural blush color. It is in the shade Fruit Tart. It is cruelty-free and it's even PETA verified. So it's got the little PETA symbol on there. So let me pull this one out and we'll look at our little cream puff blush. Oh, this is a beautiful color. Look at that. That's typically what you will do when you go into the fall or winter seasons, is you're going to go a little bit deeper of a color. So I like the shades that she's picking up for this October box because they definitely fit in with the season. Next item that we have in here is from Saint Luxe, and this is their Liquid Glow highlighter. Now I have it in the shade Unicorn here, but I have this product in a rose gold shade and it's stunning. I use it a lot. The rose gold is definitely that, it's rose gold, but the unicorn is, it's more of an iridescent color. So it's all a liquid highlighter, and I feel like this bottle lasts forever because I don't usually go too crazy with my highlighter, right? So you get a very small amount and the pot just goes on forever. And then you're able to put this down and this will have a little bit of that purple color to it. So it's very bright. You might not notice it till it catches the light. You would want to blend out that line, obviously, but once you get that blended in there, it's really, really pretty. Next item that we have is from Illuminati, and this is a lip oil. It's a tinted lip oil in the shade Mystery. This matches our highlighter perfectly. I mean, we're going for a very specific look this month where it's very bright, but it's very glitzy at the same time. So we'll do a swatch real quick here of this lip oil. Now it's very soft. I do feel like it's thick like an oil, but it's not sticky. Sometimes those will get really sticky. I don't notice that at all with this one. So it's a very light lip gloss, not nearly as bright as what it looks like in the tube. When it goes down, it's just giving you kind of that really bright, vibrant look. Next, we are up to our featured eyeshadow palette for October, and the palette name is called Candy. This is by Rasha B Cosmetics. And of course, I get the candy theme. It makes sense that it would be here in October. Really cute packaging on here as well. And then inside, oh, and it's candy corn. I almost dropped the palette there for a second. But I was expecting all of the candy to look like this, but inside we actually have candy corn. That was really cute. What a surprise. So there is a mirror attached, but this is what your candy shades will look like here. This is super cute. I love the theme of this one. Now I'm gonna do a couple of swatches on here only because I feel like these palettes perform so well and they're beautiful when you put them down. Now this first one's just gonna be a black matte, so I'm not gonna swatch that one today because it's just a black shade, but we're gonna try Sour Patch, which is this one right up here. It's kind of got a blue purple tint, but it is very deep. But of course, in the sunlight, it's gonna catch everything and just really glow. That's really pretty. Next up, we have Sour Punch. So very similar to Sour Patch. However, this one is gonna be more of that green-yellow combo. These are a beautiful duochrome set. Look at that. Oh, I like that one a lot. The last one that we have on this row is Caramel, or is it Caramel? See, there's always a lot of ways to pronounce that, but I'm gonna go with Caramel, okay? It sounds fancy. So we have kind of a gold orange tone on this one, and we'll go ahead and swatch there. Look at that. Is that not pretty? Oh, I love it. All right, then down below, we're gonna check out Airheads, which is a beautiful shimmer. This is one that you probably could add as a highlighter. You could really work it in. This would also be great for your inner corner, just to add a little bit of brightness and lift in there. I think that would be stunning. And now I've run out of fingers, so give me a second. Ooh. Okay, so that lip gloss on top there, when you put it down in the sunlight, it looks exactly like a clear gloss, but there's this beautiful pink and purple shimmer. In the sun, it is stunning. I wish I could get this on camera, but then once I put it up, yeah, it doesn't do it. Okay, all I gotta say is if you get this box this month in October, put it out in the sunlight and look at it because it's really, really cute. I love it. And I'm noticing that with everything, that there's a lot of shimmer and glitz this month in this box. So candy corn will look like this. That's really pretty. You definitely get kind of that yellow in there. Ooh, she's hot. Look at that. So I do think that's my favorite one. I kind of had a feeling it would be too. I think it's a really pretty combination of shimmers. I am in love with these. Definitely as toppers, but I do think you could create some really cute eye looks with this too. So that is everything inside of the Slay Glam box for October, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this box, but also, what did you think of the announcement today? I'm just so excited. I don't mean to be self-centered, but literally this is all I've been thinking about like for the last few days when I got confirmation that everything is a go. And then when I talked to Rasha and she's like, yep, we can go ahead and start spoiling now and let everyone know. Like this is all that's been on my mind. And I cannot wait for your reaction to see what everyone thinks. I can't wait to get this palette in and to start creating some looks for you guys. Like, I'm just so incredibly excited to be sharing this with you. And truthfully, I wouldn't be doing this without all of you, because without you watching my channel, no one would care. Like, no one would be interested. And so I'm just so grateful that because of you guys, I'm able to do something that I've really wanted to do for a long time, which is to create an eyeshadow palette. And I hope this means that I can create more going forward. Like, you guys, I literally have like 4 palettes in my head that I've planned out for the longest time. And now one of them is gonna come to life. And I'm so grateful that you guys let me do this, because now I can say like, I did it. I finally was able to do something that I've always wanted to do. So thank you. But additionally, I can't wait for you guys to see it. So stay tuned. Like I said, it's going to be dropping January 2024. It's only a couple of months away. But until then, if you guys are interested in purchasing the Slay Glam subscription box, you can sign up using my link down below. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!